Huwag na tayong magbulahan. We want to know the truth. Sabi ninyo wala, sabi ko meron. Buksan ninyo ang libro. Period. A dog by any other tag is still the dog. Lagyan mo yung earring yung collar niya, still the dog. Lagyan mo nga ng collar niya ng squirrel, it would still be a dog. The best way to find out really what is the mystery of this pork barrel so-called or ang tinatawag ng extraordinary expenses. Mabuti pa kayo kaya may extraordinary expenses. When is there an when does it occur? What is the occurrence of an extraordinary expense? Yan. Tawag ninyo na noon, pork barrel. Galing ako dyan. Look at the records. Kaya huwag na tayo magbulahan. Ano yan? Kaya mga congressman, pati yan si Franz, buksan mo ang libro. Sigurado yan. Kaya, huwag ninyong sabihin na you're the only dito sa mundong ito na may konsensya.